Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the dollar function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is pretty simple, and what it does, it will simply convert a number into a dollar sign number. So in this case, for example, the 1376 and all those numbers, it's going to be converted into a dollar sign number. So the way this function works is pretty simple. It contains two variables. The first one will be the number, so the number that we want to convert, and the second one is optional, so it's the number of digits to the right of the decimal point that we want. So if we try this function on the first number right here, we'll start by writing down an equal sign and then just write down dollar. Once it's done, we can open up our parentheses and select our number that is right here. Then the second element will be the number of decimals that we want. So in our case, we only want 2 decimals, and we can close our parentheses, and just like that, here we will have $509.26. If, for example, we only want 1 decimal, we can add 1, and just like that, as you can see here, it's going to only have 1 decimal after the point. So can we use this number? So if, for example, we test it, we can take the cell, add 1, and as you can see, it will add 1. So it stays in a number format. So this is how you can convert a number inside of Microsoft Excel with the function dollar to a dollar sign number. Now, let's say that I want to apply this function to all those numbers. I can just take it like this and drag it like this. And just like that, all my numbers have been converted into dollars, and they all have only 1 decimal. So if, for example, here I write down 2 and I apply it to all the elements, now all the numbers right here are converted into dollars with 2 decimals after the point. So this is how you use the dollar function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.